Getty Images and OpenAI has stricken a multi-year partnership that will bring Getty's licensed content libraries to the AI company. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your place for the latest tech news. The agreement means now Getty's content will appear in OpenAI Search and ChatGPT. Getty CEO Craig Peters said in a statement, high-quality licensed visual content makes AI-powered search and discovery more useful and more trustworthy. This partnership with OpenAI reflects a shared recognition of that, and together will deliver richer visual experience to ChatGPT users. Until now, Getty always had taken a strong stance against working with AI companies. In September 2022, Getty banned all AI-generated art from its library, and a few months later, it sued Stability AI on copyright violations, though eventually it was rejected late last year. A year after its AI-generated art ban, Getty announced its own generative AI tool trained on its library and powered by NVIDIA's Getty AI model. With this, each resulting image came with a royalty-free license. But in October 2025, Getty signed a deal with Perplexity AI, allowing its search and discovery tools to access Getty's library. The release stated that Perplexity will be making improvements to how it displays imagery, including image credit with a link to source, to better educate users on how to use licensed imagery legally. But Perplexity has faced lawsuits for alleged illegal use of copyrighted materials. Notably, Getty hasn't shared any details on whether it'll let ChatGPT use its images for AI training or not, although Getty's deal with Perplexity did not allow it. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.